Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stash farm in Borderlands 2. This powerful glitch allows you to duplicate any item, making it perfect for sharing legendary gear with your other characters or friends. You'll need either 2 controllers or a trusted friend to help you out. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps, and it can save you a lot of grinding time. First, load your main character into a game session with all the items you wish to duplicate in their inventory. Next, have your second character, or guest, join your game. It's crucial that this second character is also present. Finally, make your way to any fast travel station, ideally one that is conveniently located near a bank. This setup is key for a smooth farming experience. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Borderlands 2 tips. And on another note, if your car smells like a bandit's hideout, grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. It's a game changer for car freshness. Check the description for a link to grab one and other awesome deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the core of the duplication. With your main character, place all the items you want to duplicate into the bank. Once those items are safely stored, have your second player, or guest, save and quit their game. Immediately after they exit, your main character must quickly dashboard out of the game or force quit the application. Do not save with your main character. After performing the previous steps, relaunch Borderlands 2 with your main character. You should now find the duplicated items both in your main character's inventory and still present within the bank. This confirms the glitch was successful, and you now have 2 copies of your valuable gear. You can repeat this process as many times as needed for more items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.